Version control is a system that helps you keep track of changes made to a file or a set of files over time. It allows you to save versions of your work so you can go back to earlier version if something goes wrong. It also helps you work on the same project with other people without overwriting each other's work. It helps you to enable collaboration, track history, and ensure integrity of files. So version control helps a team stay organized and make it easier to manage changes, especially when multiple people are working on the same project. So, why we need version control? So, to track changes like monitoring file revisions, who made changes and when. So, multiple people can work on the same project without conflict. Revert to a previous version if something goes wrong, and work on different features independently and merge them later. So, this is why we need version control. So the key concepts in version control are repository, the storage location for your project file, and third, and their history. The saved changes to the project, usually with a message describing the change. We call it as a commit. Then the branch, so a parallel version of the project where you can make changes independently. Then merge, the process of integrating changes from different branches into the main project. The conflict like occurs when two changes cannot be automatically merged, so two people edit the same line of file. So these are the key concepts in version control. So the types of version control system, like we have a local version control, like it's a simple approach. Save different version of files on a single machine, like keeping copies of file 1 and file 2 with version. Then centralized version control, CVCS, like a central server contains the repository and users check out files to work on the system. Basically subversion SVN and CVS. Then distributed version control, DVCS, like every user has a local copy of the repository, making it easier to work offline and synchronize changes later. So Git will be the popular one. So Git, the most popular distributed version control system. So developed by Linus Torvalds, like a creator of Linux. Distributed system, like every developer has the full history of the project on their local machine. So the common Git commands are get init, like initialize a new Git repository, clone, like copies a remote repository to your local machine, add, like git add, git space add space the file, like adds the changes to the staging area. Then git commit hyphen with message, like commits the changes with a description. Then push and pull, like so git push will pushes the changes to a remote repository, and pull fetches the updates from remote repository. These are the common commands. We have a lot more. So the platforms which uses Git are like GitHub, GitLab, Bitbucket, and more. So the advantage of using it is again collaboration, efficiency, flexibility, and tracking history. Like every change is saved and you can easily track or revert changes. Let's see workflow of Git. Like get a local copy of a repository from the report using clone. Then create a new branch to work on specific feature or fix. Then save your changes to the branch with a commit message. Then upload your changes to remote repository. Then you can retrieve the latest changes made by others using pull. Then merge integrate changes from different branches. So in real time, how it happens is like a team member one works on the feature in the branch, then team member two fixes a bug in another branch. So both team member push their changes to the central repository. Then a team can then merge the branches and resolve any conflicts. So the best practice for version control are committing it often, like frequent commits are easier to manage and review, and write meaningful commit changes. Create branches for new features or bug fixes. Then sync regularly, like keep your local repository up to date by pulling frequently, and review and test. Always test changes before merging them into the branches. So, to summarize, version control systems are crucial for tracking changes, collaborating, and maintaining code integrity in development project. So, Git, along with a platform like GitHub, is the most widely used tool for version control in software industry today. Thanks for watching.